Manipur Polo International 2016 kicks off at historic Imphal Polo Ground. Manipur beat Australia 7-4 in the opening match. Gaikhangam visits AIR station to see the situation after Sunday's blast. All India Radio Imphal to cover Sangai Festival. Names of over 900 persons removed from electoral roll of Thoubal and Wangjing after election authority found them using fake age certificates. And IMC Deputy Mayor Maibon Paumai appeals to UNC to suspend economic blockade. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Priyo Barta Sharma and now the news in detail. Manipur Polo International 2016 kicked off today at the historic Imphal Polo Ground. The tournament is being organized as part of Manipur Sangai Festival 2016. In his opening speech, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi said the government formulated Manipuri pony policy to save Manipuri pony from extinction and establish a sanctuary for the Manipuri pony. He said Manipur government will declare Manipuri pony as one of the endangered breed to be preserved for future generations in Manipur, India and the world. Manipuri pony is one of the 5 species of pony recognized by Government of India. 4 teams from Australia, England, Kenya and USA and 2 Indian teams, India A representing Indian Polo Association and India B Manipur are taking part in the Polo International organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. The Chief Minister also invited all the foreign polo teams as well as Indian polo team to the 11th edition of the tournament next year. Chief Minister of Chin State of Myanmar, U. Salai Lian Loy and his cabinet colleagues also attended the opening ceremony, which was highlighted by a cultural performance by the Rhythms of Manipur. In the opening match, host Manipur beat Australia 7-4.
Manipur scores the very first goal of the match.
Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam today visited the All India radio station in connection with Sunday's blast in the AIR complex and talked to the staff. All India Radio Imphal has decided to broadcast news about Manipur Sangai Festival from today after talking with the Deputy Chief Minister. After meeting with the AIR staff, Gaikhangam told media that it is hard to believe so many incidents occur in a small place like Manipur. He said no other place would have ever experienced such incidents. Gaikhangam said the government faces difficulties in its efforts to resolve the issues facing the state. He maintained that the government is making all-out efforts to promote tourism in the state as well as to develop relations with other countries through Sangai Festival. He appealed to the people to bear with the shortcomings despite the endeavors of the organizers to make the festival a success.
Boycott of woman ko lactere ko AI so kan to coverage to ba chumi no difficulty to ko khang sina ko chumni gi state ki aduge national gi watana international oiba ko ni gi media sida phongdo khalakanda ko Manipur is what is all about and Manipur sigi phajaba mayam ma yeng mayam mayam showcase tor kanda through tourism ko khitang der so sen thum bam da phagat na ba achoba advantage ama low si hajana honazaba adugumani aduda mayamna kitang warau do na tawboda koi warau ri chumi matu manau dadi siguma thoktana ko honajage hena sensitive oinana ba ekoi suggestion pijage.
Station Director of All India Radio Imphal, Dilip Mayangbam, thanked the Minister for visiting the AIR complex to see the situation after Sunday's blast and assuring the employees of looking into their problems.
See, Hujiki misunderstanding Lady Bakoliba, Mayam, see, later Roy, Kudum Chan, Lerani, and the Siki inconvenience, Labor Kotpa, State Kisai, Tagi Toki with the Su, Deputy CM Naibire, Simakatana, cooperation Peter Bakota, later Roy, them cooperate Taurani, I see Tamjiri.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi will flag off IMT Friendship Car Rally tomorrow from Classic Grande Chingmerong. The car rally, which started from New Delhi on November 13th, is participated by 73 members in 21 cars and SUVs. The team has 4 women members. The car rally will cover 5,722 kilometers and reach Bangkok, the capital of Thailand, on December 3rd. Japanese Ambassador Kenji Hiramatsu yesterday called on Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah. During the meeting, Dr. Heptullah sought Japanese cooperation in cleaning of the Loktak Lake, developing eco-friendly tourism, commercial cultivation of orchids, and sports and cultural exchanges between Japan and Manipur. The Japanese ambassador assured the governor of all cooperation in education, sports, art and culture. He invited the governor to visit Tokyo during Cherry Blossom Festival. Names of 910 persons have been removed from the voter list of Thoubal and Wangjing constituencies in Thoubal district after they were found to have used fake age certificates to register in electoral roll. They were detected during the special election summary revision. Chief Electoral Officer V.K. Dewangan today told the media persons at Old Secretariat that DC Thoubal has been instructed to take action against the officers involved in the malpractice. Dewangan said DCs of all districts have been asked to identify 5 polling stations with the maximum number of voters in all the constituencies by November 25th. Regarding the petition filed against recruitment by the state government just before the assembly election, the CEO said after the High Court of Manipur directed the case to be filed with the ECI, it has been referred to ECI. He also said the ECI directed the Chief Secretary and Finance Department to submit a report on the financial status of Manipur. The CEO stated that as a precautionary measure in view of the assembly polls, the ECI asked the IT, excise, police, narcotics and other stakeholders to look into the large deposits in Jan Dhan and other accounts.
Application for addition of names. Total we have received 1,67,321. Out of that, our electoral registration officers have accepted 1,25,479 applications. These are going to be the new voters. DC Thoubal has also confirmed that some fake birth certificates were issued. So all these applications have been rejected. DC Thoubal has been instructed to take strict action and adopt a policy of zero tolerance against the defaulting officers. The Election Commission has issued instruction to all the SPs that the list of history cheaters, troublemongers or suspected troublemongers, they have to give complete comprehensive list and give an undertaking that beyond this nobody is likely to create trouble.
Deputy Mayor of Imphal Municipal Corporation Maibon Phaumei asserted that the indefinite economic blockade called by the United Naga Council even before the declaration of Sadar Hills as a full-fledged district has badly hit the people of the state. Speaking to media today at his office, the Deputy Mayor said if the economic blockade continues in the state where people of different communities live together, misunderstandings might arise among the people. He said it is high time that the government took the initiative to resolve the issues between those who are for and against the formation of Sadar Hills district. Maibon Phaumei appealed to the UNC to call off the economic blockade, which is against the law and the people, and opt for another democratic form of protest.
Manipurda leriba furup tungan jati punamakna punna khundaminaraga Manipur haina leriba asida economic blockade asida kuine tawtharaga di khui tungan furup wakhan ron si tungan lakpa matam asida ama amaga lan lawnaram matamda khui nungsi chana leriba jati punamak asigi murakmakta tungan wakhalon laagadi masi khui tungda khui peacefully leiba Manipur si irang yamna lakpa bagi tanja malai masi lakna bagi damakta ekhoina UNC asida ekhoina haijaning madi economic blockade si thuwa matamda nomanani manungda withdraw to view.
Convener of Joint Action Committee Against Inhuman Economic Blockade Manipur, TH Memcha Laima, has warned those taking undue advantage of the economic blockade and increasing the prices of essential commodities. During a drive at Yaripok today, 3 shops which were found selling items to be transported to hill districts were asked to shut their shops for 3 days. Communist Party of India Manipur State Council has urged the United Naga Council to call off the economic blockade immediately, otherwise they will start a campaign against the economic blockade from November 24th. Addressing media persons today at Iravat Bhavan, Secretary in charge of Communist Party of India Manipur State Council L. Sotin Kumar said the UNC has called economic blockade against the people, not against the government. He said at this particular juncture, the people are facing hardships due to the blockade. Sotin Kumar said prices of essential commodities have risen, impacting the economically weaker sections of society. He also said demonetization of 500 and 1000 notes has severely impacted people of the state. He also said Kurai Council along with Nupi Marup of Kurai area will hold protest rally at Kurai Sarjo Lekai against economic blockade.
Manipur ki praja suri benomi ba praja lak kun manga sigi mathakta kan ba chei thieng ama pin na ba sanction ba economic blockade ne haina khoi lo da bangam de economic blockade tori ba kangbu singna athu matam da moina lori fire ba se hongdok tana economic blockade nattaba yamna democratic oiba tongan movement kaya am da tawba khoi thingba leite economic blockade si kudak da handok na ba khoi communist party na akan bada bi tawri kari gumba handok tre bo तब तारगदी कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी लौथोक्सरी मदुदी यम थुना नोमनी सिगी मनुंगदा अखोई पार्टी लोकल एरिया कयाना इकोनॉमिक ब्लॉकेट असे मसिगी मायोक्ता अकनबा कैंपेन अमा यहोमा संगसिलगनी.
Volunteers of Khurai Konsam Laikai Chaukat Khongthang Apunba Maira Paibi today launched counter blockade against the indefinite economic blockade called by United Naga Council on the national highways in the state. The volunteers checked the vehicles on Imphal Ukhrul Road since early morning and seized various articles from the vehicles. They said the UNC's economic blockade has hit the people as the prices of all commodities have gone up. The women volunteers said they would continue their counter blockade until the UNC suspends the blockade.
Counter blockade si economic blockade na maram oiraga hojik raija sida kam thengna awabagi masak haibadu oire phangma kharaju maman asuki matik yauna yamna tangi atia pakna wangi haibagum bani somda thau phangdaba adegi angang jingi parikha hogi ba yaure sida school ben service tawba kharaju thau phangdadana suti thaba marakta yawgramni ngarang makta ju lambida gari mai thagri duni akoi ju komna thirakanduda hangnabani adubu yen machinjak ni hai yen machinjak oiraju jibijing ju ngau ngau laudana leidba ju akoi nungaite economic oiba pot chai jingje akoi je thadok chaningde thadu oyeba thad.
State Bank of India Regional Business Office Imphal, in collaboration with Editors Guild Manipur and DIPR, arranged withdrawal of 1,100 rupee notes from POS machine for media fraternity today at DIPR office complex Moirangkhom. 12 Bihar of 9 Sector Assam Rifles organized a weapon display for cadets of Sainik School today to motivate the young minds to join Indian Armed Forces. Around 150 cadets of the school witnessed the display. Time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Shanghai Festival 2016 ga mari laina na Manipur ki tourism department amadi ICCR gi tengmang makhada anti theater Manipur na sinjalang jedune Asian Theater Festival 2016 Asia gi masak nairaba theater group kya ga loina na airport road ta leiba anti theater Manipur gi hongnem sangda pangthok chargani.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through sand stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Welcome back. You're watching Prime Time English News. BJP leader and former Langthabal MLA Okram Joy and councillors of Lilong Nagar Panchayat demanded upgradation of Lilong Nagar Panchayat to municipality along with the Nagar Panchayat, which are being upgraded to municipality ahead of the 11th Manipur Assembly polls. Speaking to media persons at BJP office at Nityai Pachuthek today, Ojoy said even though many Nagar Panchayats have been upgraded to municipality, Lilong Nagar Panchayat has not been made a municipality. He said a memorandum was submitted to the Chief Minister by the chairperson and councillors of the Nagar Panchayat, and he wrote a letter to the Chief Minister for the upgradation.
Center the Pariva Sakti the state the local seb body sing the Sakti Pivagi as I Baroki Sambidan Sam Doctor Sakti Pinavagi Wafamasi Laki. Maduna Maramoeraga, Baran Prasada, Han Praja sing the decentralization of power, devolution of power, Piram the Pirapani. Lilong Nagar Panchayat si High River, Shoklisingamaga, Samapan Humbudra, Nipan, Adagi, Amuk Nagar Panchayat, Lak with the Gin of his Babu Nagar Panchayat, Oidna, the Mlay, Municipal Council on POFC, Councillor Mayamgi, Davini, Area Sira, Koliba, Prajasing, Davini, High River, Mapamase, National Highways, Gimea, the Leva, Equina Transnational Highways, Achoba, Barat Brasagi, Amazon, Asiagi, Oba, Chobalambi, Gimea, the Leva. Nagar Panchayat Amani.
Lifesavers Manipur will organize 26th Awareness Come Voluntary Blood Donation Camp 2016 on November 26th at Lizard Library, Wangkai Mahopam Lampak Community Hall in connection with the birth centenary of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay. A public interaction program in connection with the upcoming 11th Manipur Assembly election was held for polling station 36 by 23 Uchiwa in Wabagai constituency. The program was organized by Booth Level Committee Uchiwa and Wabagai Development Committee. The meeting resolved to support BJP intending candidate M. Ranjit. Humanist Party of Manipur has opposed a de facto election of India conducted in Manipur under the Constitution of India. In a pamphlet, the party wants de jure election under de jure constitution enacted by His Highness the Maharaja of Manipur. It said Manipur was an independent sovereign state, but the Indian government illegally overthrew the constitutional government of the state and occupied Manipur since October 15, 1949. Lions Eye Hospital and Services Trust in a press note said the second eye screening for this month will be held on November 27th at Lions Service Centre of Lions Club of Imphal, Sangay Pro, in collaboration with District's Blindness Control Society. The camp will be held from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Wosoron Chetung and Huidrom Ronald Mangang of Millennium Institute of Science, Imphal, bagged the second runners-up in the project competition event in the recently held Concourse 2016. Over 200 students from 45 schools from Manipur, Assam, Nagaland, Sikkim, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal participated in the Concourse 2016, which is the Inter-School Live Students Project and Quiz competition held from November 10th and 11th. The second runners-up team received a trophy along with 5,000 rupees cash. Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology hosted All India Inter-School Science Exhibition and Quiz competition held in connection with World Science Day.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯐꯣꯀꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯛꯇꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯡꯉꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯖꯨꯀꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯣꯂꯔ ꯈꯛꯀꯤ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯍꯧꯗꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ irrespective of their ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯀꯟꯗꯤꯁꯟꯁ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯕꯦꯛꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯛꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯌꯨꯁꯇ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯗꯦꯜꯗ ꯁꯥꯕꯅꯦꯕ
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯔꯅꯔꯁ ꯑꯞ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯊꯔꯠ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯇꯤꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜꯅꯤ ꯖꯥꯔꯈꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ 50 schools ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯔꯠ ꯇꯥꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ.
Help continues to pour in for the injured senior journalist Arambam Luangthoi. BJP aspiring candidate Chungkham Santosh from Patsoi constituency extended financial help to Arambam Luangthoi. Chungkham Bijoy visited the injured journalist at Raj Medicity to inquire about his health. Santosh said it is unfortunate that the culprits left injured Arambam Luangthoi unattended on the road. Luangthoi of Sagulban Mainolerak Maisnam Nongtombam Lekai was hit from behind by a four-wheeler while he was riding his two-wheeler on the evening of November 19th at Kaishampa, Thiam Lekai. Imphal Book Fair 2016 will be held from December 15 to 29th at DM College of Commerce. Chief Librarian, State Central Library, in a press release, appealed for relaxation of the economic blockade in view of the firms and publishers coming from outside the state to participate in the book fair. Second Sangay International Film Festival 2016 began today at Manipur State Film Development Society Auditorium, Palace Compound. Speaking at the inaugural function, Chairman of Film Forum Manipur, Laimium Surjakanta Sharma said, the film festival is organized with an aim to provide a platform for local filmmakers to interact with the foreign film producers and directors. He said the government has assured to invite producers and directors from other countries at the Sangay Festival next year. 8 Russian feature films and award-winning Manipuri feature and non-feature films will be screened at the festival, organized by Manipur State Film Development Society and Film Forum Manipur. Russian film Taras Bulba was screened on the first day of the festival.
Film Forum Manipur Amadi Manipur State Film Development Society ki Seva Secretary ke Dr. Sushila Amadi Society si lebine ba koi technical officer koi Pranay Lopam Sari Chandra Sharma technical officer koi maya film forum ko kusam naraka hazi babuda sanction maselam te yaudri ID Manipur na ke all India paisa kaito kashin ki transaction ki problem lai adu koi di tamdu bi yadi na ayaw ba sema Sushila ki prikaw degi koi technical officer ki prikaw degi koi convener ki prikaw degi
And now news from the world of sports. In a match of the first YWC Cricket Trophy played today, Sonalika Konung Mamang beat YCCA Lilong Chajing by 17 runs. Winning the toss, Sonalika Konung Mamang batted first and scored 94 for 8 in 15 overs. In reply, YCCA Lilong Chajing scored 77 for 8 in 15 overs, losing the match by 147 runs. Sonalika Konung Mamang's all-rounder Sana was adjudged the man of the match for his 42 runs and 2 wickets. PYC will play Singjamai tomorrow. DM Rao Sekmai entered the final of Thangjam Birachandra Maipakpi Memorial 21st Winners' Cup. In a match played at SKYC Sekmai ground today, home team DM Rao Sekmai trounced YPO Sora 5-0. Thangzolen Khongsai netted 2 goals in the 8th and the 49th minute of the match, while H. Barayang, Khangatar, Tungsanao and Y. Sushil Kumar netted 1 goal each. Mawalai Sadar Hills will clash DM Rao Sekmai in the final at Kumalampak Main Stadium on the 24th of this month. Wangoi Kendra Kangkhut have entered the final of the Hunger Marches Kendra-wise above 50 and 60 years League cum Knockout Kang tournament. Wangoi Kendra Kangkhut thrashed Nambol Kendra Kangkhut 19-7 in the first semi-final to enter the final. The tournament is organized by all Ibudao Muerang Pokpa Kang Committee under the sponsorship of Manipur Kang Association at Ibudao Muerang Pokpa Kang Sang Kakwa. In the second semi-final, Thamiban Kendra Kangkhut will meet Oinam Kendra Kangkhut. And before we end, the headlines once again. Manipur Polo International 2016 kicks off at historic Imphal Polo Ground. Manipur beat Australia 7-4 in the opening match. Gaikhangam visits AIR station to see the situation after Sunday's blast. All India Radio Imphal to cover Sangai Festival. Names of over 900 persons removed from electoral roll of Thobal and Wangjing after election authority found them using fake age certificates. And IMC Deputy Mayor Maibon Paumai appeals to UNC to suspend economic blockade.